Starts.
The next topic we are going to discuss about the C programming basic concept is backslash, that is a backslash character constants. Okay, so this backslash character constants will help you to structure your C program in dedicated, that is a proper way of executing and produce the output in the proper way. So first backslash character is backslash A, which will produce bell sound during the execution of your C program. And backslash B, that is which produce the backspace during your execution of your C program. And backslash F, that is form feed, can add new line or execute new line with the help of form feed. And backslash N and new line character, while executing your C program it will start from new line. And backslash R, so carriage return, okay, it's going to return the carriage so once you are executing your program. Backslash T, horizontal tab, so move its character space to the next line. And backslash single quotes, if you use this symbol in your producing the output while you are doing your C program, that time how to use single quotes. And backslash double quotes, which will produce the double quotes while executing your C program. Backslash question symbol, if you want to produce question symbol while producing your C program output on the screen, can use backslash question mark. Backslash 0 or O, which will produce the null character while producing your output. So these backslash character constants widely used to produce and output during the execution of C program in a proper format, that is called as formatted output. So using this proper formatted output method, you can execute a C program in proper way. And second part, we are going to discuss the concept behind variable, as we discussed earlier. So what is variable? So the value of the variable do not change, that is called as constant, and value of the variable may be changed during the execution of program, that is called as variable. So it's going to change the value of the variable during the execution, okay, that is called as variable. The general syntax which is used for executing your variable, that is called data type and variable name. For example, I am using integer a comma b comma c, okay, so this is called as data type and these are called as variable names. The value of the variable may be changed during the execution of the program, that is called as variable, and constant is do not change during the execution of program, that is called as constant and variable difference. We will discuss about the types. So as we discuss what is the general syntax for your variable, we are going to discuss different data types. The major 4 data types which is available in C program, that is called as character, integer, float, double. So these are the basic data type. Apart from that, many data types are there. We'll discuss later. Now we will discuss the basic data type: character, integer, float, and double. The control string which is used for character is %C, and control strings for integer is %D, and control strings for float is %F, and control strings for double is %G. The range, so when you go for during the computer execution memory range will start from for integer -128 to 127, and for integer is -32,760 to 32,767, and float 3.4u -38 to 3.4u plus 38, and double 1.7u -308 to 1.7u plus 308. So these are called as your basic data types available in your C. So apart from the other features we will discuss later. And coming to the another part of our basic C program structure, that is called as ASCII values. So what is ASCII? American Standard Code for Information and Interchange. This is called as ASCII. Using this ASCII only, the system will generate all the value variables we are using, that will be converted to machine language, that is numeric, that is binary format, that is called as your ASCII values, American Standard Code for Information and Interchange. And for small, that is lower case, so small letters or say lower case, that is start from range 97 to 123 numeric values. And big size, that is your uppercase letters A to Z, that will start from 65 to 90.